Let's take a look first at this report that has been sent in. Our colleague Amit Bhardwaj reporting from Ground Zero. Amit is in Kathmandu. Let's take a look.
This is India Today exclusively on the ground in Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal, which is witnessing a uprising of youth, the Gen Z, and which is now turning violent. The crowd has set the traffic installations and the public property on fire. The police fired several rounds of tear gas shells from the other side, right here at the Gaushala road of Kathmandu, and you could see even the buildings have sustained a certain amount of damage because of the protest that happened yesterday as well. On the ground, the protesters are now saying that this protest can no longer be peaceful. Ma'am, why do you guys think that this protest cannot continue to be a peaceful one?
Actually, this protest is not only social media. Is protest for anti-corruption.
करप्शन के खिलाफ आप लोग आवाज उठा रहे हैं और क्या मुद्दे हैं युवाओं के
यहाँ फ्रस्ट्रेशन ज्यादा है।
भ्रष्टाचार बहुत ज्यादा
है, इसलिए करप्शन हुआ है।
आज क्यों हिंसा का सहारा लेना पड़ रहा है प्रदर्शनकारियों को? हाँ,
ये मजबूरी है हमारी।
जी, कल जो जान गई लड़कों की उस वजह से नाराजगी ज्यादा बढ़ी हुई है।
हमारा बच्चे लोग हैं ना
जी,
छोटा सा स्कूल पढ़ने के लिए गए थे वो बच्चे लोग, इसलिए हम इसके विरोध में फ्रस्ट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है।
लेकिन जान की हताहत और ऐसे नहीं हो सकती है ना, जब आप सामने से पुलिस लगातार कई राउंड्स की टीयर गैस शेल्स चला रही है।
हाँ, वो तो प्रोटेक्शन बहुत तरीके से कर सकते हैं।
जी,
जान लेने का कोई तरीका नहीं है।
आपका नाम क्या नाम?
मैं सीरियस हूँ।
क्या काम करती हैं आप?
मेरा बुटीक है।
कल तक आप प्रदर्शन में आई थी?
हाँ, कल भी थी।
Okay.
खाने शो पे थी
जी,
और आज भी, क्योंकि फ्रस्ट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है देश का नालायक सरकार की वजह से।
Okay. So the crowd and the youth, specifically entrepreneurs, students, Gen Z crowd, everybody is saying that they are frustrated with the corruption in the government. This is an allegation that the youth believes that the political class in general has become corrupt in Nepal, because of which the Gen Z crowd is on the streets right now and leading into situation of now violence happening in several parts of Nepal. We are trying to get closer to this volatile situation on the ground right now at the Gaushala road, where the property has been set on fire. The ambulances, however, are doing rounds continuously, which also indicates that the injuries that could be happening on the streets of Kathmandu right now. लगातार हम देख रहे हैं एम्बुलेंस जा रहा है, तो क्या लोग घायल भी हो रहे हैं इसमें?
हाँ, घायल तो हो रहे हैं, गोली भी आन रहा है, पुलिस वाला बवाल हो रहा है। अब और हमको चेंज चाहिए।
क्या बदलाव चाहते हैं आप लोग?
हम
क्या चुनाव चाह रहे हैं या ये सरकार का इस्तीफा चाह रहे हैं?
जो सरकार ने परिवर्तन हुनु पर्यो, अब जनताले चाहेको जस्तो हुनु पर्यो हैन।
सरकार में परिवर्तन चाहिए आपको। सो पीपल आर सीकिंग। आप लोग क्या परिवर्तन चाह रहे हैं नेपाल में इस वक्त?
इस वक्त हम लोग ये चाह रहे हैं कि हमारा देश में जो युवा जो भ्रष्टाचार के विरुद्ध में, अन्याय अत्याचार के विरुद्ध में केपी सरकार जो है ना, वो संपूर्ण जनता को निरंकुश शासन लाद रहा है। और युवाहरू जो चाह रहा है कि परिवर्तन चाहिए उसको, वो परिवर्तन देने के लिए युवा ने जो टीनेज युवा ने जुन किया, वो उसके लिए अभी आंदोलन चल रहा है।
आपका?
मैं गोविंद अधिकारी हूँ।
क्या काम करते हैं?
मैं टीचर हूँ।
टीचर एंटरप्रेन्योर, टीचर, जेन ज़ी सब आ रहा है। मैम, क्या टैक्सेस बहुत ज्यादा हो गए नेपाल में?
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा है। हमको हिंदी बोलने
जो आप जितना बोल सकते हैं बताइए, क्या मुश्किल हो रही है इस तरह में घर चलाने में? ऐसे में
घर चलाने में तो बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है। जो ये केपी सरकार का ये दमन है, ये नहीं रुक रहा है। और वो जब भी वही सरकार में होते कोई परिवर्तन नहीं है। तो
कोई भी सरकार में होता है,
कोई भी सरकार में
विपक्ष के नेता पे भी इस वक्त
एकदम नाराज है। प्रचंड भी हम नाराज है, उसे शेरबहादुर देवा और गगन थापा भी, क्योंकि ये सब एक मिलकर एक भाग सब बार बार प्रधानमंत्री और विभिन्न पोस्ट पर जाकर वो सब खा रहे हैं।
समाधान क्या है?
इसका
हिंसा
समाधान नहीं। फिर इसका क्या चाहिए? चाहिए कि हमको नेपाल में एक तो सबसे प्रत्यक्ष कार्यकारी प्रधानमंत्री बोलते हैं उसको, वो चाहिए। और चुस्त दुरुस्त शासन प्रक्रिया चाहिए। और 5 वर्ष तक जैसे बालन जैसा, रवि लामी छाने जैसा आदमी चाहिए इस देश में चाहिए, जो करप्शन के विरुद्ध में अभी आ रहा है वैसे।
So the people of Nepal are seeking complete change in the political class in Nepal. They are saying that be it the opposition leaders such as Prachand or the ruling class such as KP Sharma Oli, all of them have frustrated the youth of the country, and they have no option but to come on the streets. And the kind of violence that's happening today after 19 people died yesterday in the police crackdown, what we see is that many of them are actually wearing the flag of Nepal with a message. आप झंडा नेपाल का पहन के घूम रहे हैं, क्या मैसेज है बताइए?
हमको क्या मैसेज है? आप हिंदी है?
हाँ, नेपाल का झंडा आप लोग लेके चल रहे हैं। किस तरह का बदलाव चाह रहे हैं नेपाल में?
हम युवा पुस्ता के लिए, GNG के लिए चल रहा है।
जेनजी के लिए चल रहे हैं।
GNG के लिए।
Okay. So before we end this report, look at the damage that's happening to public property in Nepal, and they are saying, the protesters are saying that this is what has been forced upon them, because it was only after yesterday's crackdown and death of 19 individuals and several injured that this route was taken by the protesters. And a few minutes back, where I'm reporting from, the tear gas cells can be felt here. Multiple rounds of tear gas was actually fired by the armed police at this particular point. This is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Kathmandu.
Bhardwaj getting in those details. Also, these are pictures coming in from the Hilton Hotel in the capital city of Kathmandu, which has now been set afire. We can in fact confirm that this indeed is Hotel Hilton in Kathmandu, the capital city, that has been set afire. This has been vandalized and set on fire by protesters on the streets of Kathmandu, is what we can tell our viewers at this point in time, trying to build so much pressure on the government to in fact resign. Fresh elections is what Gen Z is calling for. This has not just got to do with social media, to tell our viewers. That's the word really from the ground. That of course was the trigger, but there is corruption. There's so many people leaving Nepal because there are no employment opportunities in a population of 29 million people. What is being said is that over 9 million are in fact stepping out because of no employment opportunities, is what is being said. Also, to tell our viewers, even as we stay with these dramatic pictures coming in from Hilton Hotel in Kathmandu at this point in time, that there is a meeting that is being called by Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, an all-party meeting, also amid speculation that he could in fact be just leaving the country. This is what we are picking up. Now, residences and offices of several political leaders have come under attack by protesters and vandals there, setting houses on fire and sacking them. The Communist Party headquarters, the Congress headquarters, the residence of the Home Minister, the residence of, in fact, the Energy Minister, the President's house has been, in fact, has been vandalized. A mob also had gathered at the residence of Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. Houses of several political leaders have been completely set ablaze, is what we are learning. The Prime Minister has called for an all-party meeting. What we're also picking up is that there is fair amount of speculation that he could in fact be leaving the country. On your screens, to tell our viewers, are pictures coming in from the Tribhuvan International Airport in Kathmandu. This is the Tribhuvan International Airport, where you can see fair amount of movement. Obviously, just adding to the speculation that perhaps the Prime Minister is out or could be headed out of Nepal. What we are also learning is that there's fair amount of speculation that he's going to be talking about the fact that he's unwell, needs treatment in Dubai. But these are pictures coming in from the Kathmandu International Airport, the Tribhuvan International Airport, which looks like at this point in time, and there is fair amount of activity here, that there could be some VIP movement.